Hi guys, my name is Maria. Today I'm telling you how to make rubber bands bracelet. Okay, I will tell you how to make it. Okay, now let's open it up. Let me open it up. Okay, there is inside I have my things and everything.
What are these things?
These are the rubber bands and these
Of
are
various
the
colors, है ना?
tools to make
Yes.
it. And these are the hooks
And what
to
about
get
these
it.
beads?
Okay, now let's do it. First, we will need this thing and this thing. Let's put it right here. And let's put this red color which you want it. If you will just do it and tell me which thing color you want.
Red color.
Okay, let's take red color and other one.
Yes.
Other one we will take it. Take
First
it.
you take a red color.
I'll take a red. And then I'll take blue and yellow. I'll add these three colors. Oh, that's what's the other one. Let's fall down there because okay. Now these are the colors. Let's do, and now we're gonna fix it. This tool. Which color you want it? The first or second or third?
First.
First.
Okay.
Maybe we will do the blue.
Okay.
This is why he's doing everything. Okay, now it's back.
We'll do like this.
We will first do it this one straight. You always just put this one, but now you need to do, and remember you need to put this one right here. Let me put it right carefully. Then it's not gonna be doing just like that you do. Okay, now it's this one. It's now turning. This is going there, and it's going circle, and it's going back to there.
Crossed, huh?
Okay, now we will do it. If you want the first or the second, let's think about it. We will do it the second. That is cool. Okay, now let's put it on here. Let's put it. Oh, we have a little mistake here. We just need to do it is really down and with the size is same as it. Okay. Now we will do the red because it's all the red color. Then you need the other tool, something to do it, and pull it the blue up. Do it. Then you need to do and add another color is blue. You can do your by yourself a color. That's okay. Now you take this and lift it from there, and we'll lift from here. With you can see it. These are the ring where it's not any same as this and getting out it, and not here is getting out it. If you have any space for it, then you can use it. That was all turning around. Then why it happened? Okay, that's it. Now we have three colors we were adding. Now we will add some more colors. It's called blue. Okay, the blue is again. We turn the blue, then we need another blue. It's just like a circle. Same with circle length. Now I do it too. Okay, now let's put it yellow right here. You can see it.
Yes.
Okay, now let's put it. Little mistake I need my hand to help it. Okay, just like blue, we do it. Make the yellow the same thing, and the blue. Now you need to just put it straight on it, but not do just like the first color. That is winky up. Okay, now put it. Come on, in it. That's not fixing, but we will okay. Right, the purple. Let's take this out. Okay, now which was the color? That was. Oh, I remember. It was the yellow color. The yellow was the next, but we will use the out of the yellow. That'll be okay. Oh no, we have a mistake. You remember which color was it? Blue was first, and the second was
Red.
red. Remember it? Okay, I will just give you a surprise. This is the surprise, I'll give some of it. I just bought because it's not what the water is coming. Let me clean it. Okay, now clean. You can see it now really well. You can see it with the present in there. You can tell me. Okay, now we'll just wait back to the artist. And you can see down here will be my egg surprise down here. But the chair right here you can see. Okay, this one we're gonna do. Okay. You can see I have so many billet. I just color it up. Oh, it fall down. Okay, you can see I've done blue and yellow and red. Okay, you can see it. This is not the extra color of blue, and it's not coming. I mean, the red color is not extra. This one is the other red, and this one is the other blue. Okay, now we will do yellow on it. Let's take yellow. Put it right here. I just not see it. You, how was I doing? If you remember, I do it blue on you in morning, just like morning and something. Okay, I'll just not do it that thing. I will not tell the morning word again. Okay, that's okay. Okay, we have yellow on it, then we do blue on it. We always need to do which color is down, and we need to do that color always. Which color is down, you need to do it. Oh, this is the purple. This is purple color, but I have yellow. I just want to put it here, but it's for put that here. Okay, that's it. Because we need the blue color. Oh, I was just gonna tell you, if you have the designing thing, you can just do it by yourself. I have any designing things. I don't know. My sister just tell me, and he just go away to another town. Okay, my sister just come and he go back to his town.
Who is she?
It's my sister, and I cannot tell his
Her name?
Her name is Bhanur. He was great, and he will likes me so much. I mean, she likes me, and I likes him.
Her? You like her?
I like her, but he just go back home.
Koita?
No. He just go to his papers to go to Quetta. You not see Quetta before. You can see all your something you say with your video when you make it. That's not the thing. If you come to Pakistan and you see it the Pakistan, okay. If you see the Pakistan, no. Did you know see Pakistan? You see, I see Pakistan, and I am in Pakistan. My sister is in Pakistan, but he just go to Quetta. Okay, I will click my channel, subscribe my channel, and this is the post up there. Please click my channel, please. You can get more channels of my videos, and you can get my videos are so much you like it.